Good morning, viewers. We'd like to accompany you on ECN Nexus, a special edition of UNAMIN Education Week Competition 2026. Today, we will bring you an important update that deserves public attention. With verified facts on-site reporting, we'll bring you an accurate and comprehensive account. UNAMIN Education Week Competition 2026 is held on February 11 till 14, 2026 at Universitas Muhammadiyah Sorong. This event is an official agenda of the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Universitas Muhammadiyah Sorong. This event brings together students from various educational levels in a week-long celebration of learning, competition, and creativity. From academic challenges and sport competition to art and innovative showcase, Education Week 2026 highlights the vibrant spirit of education in action. With various competition categories will be reported by our reporter. Hello again, Sultan. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, we can hear you loud and clear.
Great, Ogishima. Could you briefly tell us what is happening there right now?
Okay, Zamrani, as you can see right behind me, there's so much enthusiasm from the participants who are joining this event, and also the supporters who are always cheer them up with a marvelous spirit. And right now, the participants are seen preparing themselves before the competitions begin. Some of them are preparing their parts, their practice, their performance, while others are checking their final adjustment and making sure their equipment. Even though they feel nervous, but their excitement is clearly visible when they get as ready to compete. With such high spirit and excitement, we hope that this event can run smoothly and successfully and leave memorable impression to everyone involved. And this event also has several categories, include a couple of categories. There is, for the first one, is elementary school level. There is dance competitions,
an electrified stage where passion meets rhythm, and every move tells a story of confidence, energy, and pure talent.
quiz competitions, fashion show,
A bold one-way moment where creativity shines, confidence speaks, and every step makes a statement.
and coloring competition.
A colorful celebration of imagination where young talents bring ideas to life with every stroke.
And the second is junior and senior high school level. We have last student standing
An
competition.
instant survival challenge where only the sharpest minds stay strong and stand until the very end.
And also mathematics Olympiad. And what we have for the last category, Sultan?
Okay, Ogi, the last categories we have senior high school and vocational school level. In these categories, we have a lot of competition. We have men's futsal, men's and women's volleyball, sport Free Fire, horse riding and recitation,
Kita pelajari rahasia alam. Kita pahami sejarah yang tertulis di atas tanah.
formal master of ceremonies,
Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya dan salam kebajikan Rahayu. Selamat pagi dan salam sejahtera bagi kita semua dan juga para hadirin yang telah hadir pada acara seminar pada pagi hari ini.
Hadirin sekalian, atas nama panitia penyelenggara mengucapkan
mengucapkan terima kasih kepada seluruh pihak yang telah berpartisipasi dan mendukung terselenggaranya kegiatan ini. Semoga Allah SWT senantiasa melimpahkan rahmat dan keberkahan kepada kita semua.
Monolog performance.
Biasanya warna hijau. Saya tidak tahu berapa harganya. Nggak mungkin. Harganya lebih mahal dari harganya itu sendiri.
Jawabannya hanya gerakan kuat. Lalu dipukuli lagi secara bertubi-tubi. Apa salah saya?
Storytelling.
This stinky hot. This smells makes me so sick. I want to go out of this house.
Where silence can become beauty, and kindness can become truth. So now, sit back, listen carefully, and enjoy the story of Little Red Riding.
English debate.
Stand down here, 4 of you, all of you, and then 1, 2, 3, back together.
And the last one is live news report.
All right, Ogi, can you share more details about the UNAMIN Education Week competition and what make it exciting?
So everyone, today I'm here with Sir.
Irfan Idris.
Okay, the person in charge of this event. So, sir, what is maybe the viewers are curious about this one? So, what is the purpose of the UNAMIN organize this event?
Oke, jadi tujuan Education Week ini sebenarnya bekerja sama dengan UNAMIN Expo. Jadi kegiatan Education Week ini setiap tahun atau event setiap tahun kita laksanakan, dan tujuan dari event ini adalah untuk promosi, itu yang paling utama, promosi jurusan kami. Terus yang kedua untuk menyatukan minat dan bakat seluruh peserta dari setiap jenjang, mulai dari SD, SMP, dan SMA. Dan harapan kami sebenarnya education ini bukan hanya untuk ajang perlombaan, tetapi ajang silaturahmi juga untuk sekolah-sekolah dari kabupaten sampai dengan kota yang ada pelaksananya di Universitas Muhammadiyah Sorong.
Alright, that is. And what is your hopes for this participant who are joining this event today?
Oke, jadi harapan terselenggaranya Education Week ini dimaksudkan teman-teman dari seluruh stakeholder, mau dari jenjang SD, SMP, dan SMA bisa berpartisipasi, bisa menyalurkan minat dan bakat mereka, sehingga kami sebagai penyelenggara bisa menemukan bakat-bakat atau generasi-generasi yang baik dari akademik maupun non-akademik. Dan saya sebagai penanggung jawab untuk kegiatan ini bisa menyelenggarakan terus-menerus setiap tahun untuk bisa membuat mereka sebagai peserta berani ikut dalam kompetisi, seperti itu.
Okay, thank you, sir, for your information and your time. Such a great day to having you here. Okay, thank you so much. So now I'm with the chairperson of the organizing committee of UNAMIN Education Week Competition 2026. Good morning, Miss Tina.
Good morning.
All right, thank you so much for taking your time. I'm gonna ask you a few of questions. So, as the chairperson of the organizing committee, what are your goals of this event?
Tujuan kita melaksanakan kegiatan Education Week terkhususnya di FKIP, ya, Fakultas Keguruan dan Ilmu Pendidikan. Itu yang pertama, kita memberikan wadah bagi semua siswa untuk mengembangkan bakat, minat, dan mereka melalui berbagai lomba dan kegiatan edukatif. Yang kedua, kita meningkatkan semangat belajar mereka, sportivitas, serta kompetensi akademik dan non-akademik peserta didik. Dan yang ketiga, kita menumbuhkan motivasi siswa untuk melanjutkan pendidikan ke jenjang perguruan tinggi, khususnya di bidang pendidikan Universitas Muhammadiyah Sorong.
Alright, what a amazing goal that I've ever heard. So, I'm curious about one thing, Miss. This event involves participant from different educational levels, right? And what is the preparations have been made to ensure this competition, this event runs smoothly?
Prepare kita tuh sebenarnya banyak, mulai dari divisi acara, perlengkapan sampai yang pokoknya banyak. Kita prepare dari jauh-jauh hari untuk kegiatan ini. Walaupun di hari pertama ini masih ada banyak kekurangan, tapi kita percaya bahwa di hari-hari kemudian kita pasti akan belajar dari kekurangan itu untuk menjadi lebih baik ke depannya. Dan prepare itu penting untuk kita melakukan kegiatan ya. Kalau tidak tanpa prepare yang baik, pasti kegiatan akan kacau. Ya mungkin.
Alright, I see. And finally, what is your hopes in the future for this event?
Harapan saya sebagai ketua panitia untuk event tahunan FKIP ini semoga tetap berjalan dengan baik tanpa kekurangan apapun. Semoga peserta yang dari SD, SMP, bahkan di SMA semakin banyak mengenal kegiatan kita, dan di tahun-tahun selanjutnya mereka mau untuk bergabung, mendaftar, dan mengikuti kegiatan yang akan kita adakan di event selanjutnya.
Alright, thank you so much for your time, Miss. Okay, alright. So right now, I'm here with the person in charge of Live News Report. So I'm here with Miss
Sari.
Okay, Miss Sari, I'm gonna ask you a couple of questions. So, how long have been you and your team prepared for this event?
For Live News Report, we are prepared for 1 month, and we made a tour for rules for this Live News Report, and then we asked the coach what we have to write down in our tour and what we have to delete, and it takes time 1 week, and then we prepare it all before we send to you guys the tour for the rules, and then for this all prepare it's more than 1 month. We have 5 faculties, and then we need 1 month more to prepare all well. Yes.
That's it.
Yeah.
Wow, what a preparations, right? And how was your first impressions to all the participants who are joining these competitions today?
My first impression, it's really happy because all you guys have a good mentality, because you are guys just younger, and then how you're speaking, how's your preparation is really well, and I really appreciate it, and thank you for choose Live News Report as your experience, and I hope you will get this experience well for your next future, and then if you can use the certificate for the next university you want to choose for the future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss, for the information, for taking your time. All right, that's it, everyone.
So now I'm here with Miss Lily.
Yeah, hello.
As the secretary of this event.
So, yes. Now I want to ask you a couple of questions. So, as the secretary of this event, what is the main responsibilities to organizing this event, and what is the most challenging part for organizing this event?
Oke. Untuk tanggung jawab kami dalam event ini, kebetulan saya sebagai sekretaris BEM, di mana kegiatan ini itu kami punya fakultas yang mengadakan, yaitu dari Fakultas Keguruan dan Ilmu Pendidikan. Saya sebagai sekretaris sendiri membantu membackup sekretaris panitia yang sudah dibentuk. Nah, Untuk tanggung jawabnya itu dari awal kita mengurus segala surat menyurat dari segala yang dibutuhkan di event ini, dari surat ke sekolah-sekolah, surat izin ke pihak-pihak yang sponsor dan lain sebagainya, termasuk pihak ke rektorat untuk segala hal yang kita gunakan di fasilitas kampus. Nah, untuk part yang paling menantang itu saat awalnya dari kegiatan ini kan awalnya itu kegiatannya ada biaya administrasi, tapi yang paling menantang itu saat tiba-tiba kegiatannya dimajukan tanggalnya dengan sangat mendadak beberapa hari. Jadi surat itu kita harus menyebar ulang lagi ke semua sekolah yang ada di Kota Sorong, Kabupaten, dan juga Raja Ampat yang ikut terlibat dalam kegiatan ini. Jadi itu kita betul-betul sangat-sangat menantang kita untuk kerja, apalagi kita sambil melakukan magang juga sekarang di beberapa sekolah. Jadi mungkin itu sih part yang paling menantang buat kami sebagai sekretaris.
Wow, sounds busy but fun, isn't it?
Betul sekali.
Okay, thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
your time.
Okay, bye-bye.
And that was the latest from here. Catch you back in the studio.
All right, thank you, Ogi. Next, Sultan, can you inform us about the vibes of the participants feeling there?
I'm currently positioned near the debate and storytelling competition venue.
Together with several participants, we will be speaking arts today.
Hi, my name is Afra.
What competition are you joining today?
I'm joining about English debate competition.
So, I would like to ask you some questions about you.
Okay, go on.
The first question, what was your first impression when you referred to the debate competition the first time?
Okay, actually this is not my first debate competition because I have followed several debate competition, and I think this debate is going to be easy, but it's unexpected because I think this competition is getting more harder than the competition that I followed before because they have many skills that improve like Golden Gate, Semanti, and also at my gallery.
The second question. Second question is, how did you prepare for this debate competition?
Well, I only study about like 10 motions of this debate that given by the educators. So, but we are only studying like about 4 days, and it's not enough. And actually, I think that's enough for our to improve our skill at competition.
Wow, that's crazy. Okay, thank you, Afra, for your time, and I hope you get the best result.
Okay, thank you.
So now we move to storytelling. Excuse me?
Yes.
I'm here with.
Anna. Roman.
Okay, so Anna, what competition are you joining today?
Storytelling.
Storytelling. I have a question.
Okay.
What part of storytelling most challenging?
Oh, which part? Well, the most challenging part is when I have to match my gesture, my face with the story that I tell to everyone, to judge. Yes, maybe that.
I see. Oh, that's it.
Yes, that's it.
Maybe that's the report from me, and I think I want to find Ogishima. Okay, let's find Ogi.
Okay, and the last thing that should not be missing is snack time. So come on, we're hunting. Let's go.
Thank you to our reporters for the insightful reports and updates from the field. be safe and still happy, guys.
Okay, let's report back to the studio, Zamroni.
Our pleasure. Thank you, Zamroni.
So, that brings us to the end of the coverage of the UNAMIN Education Week Competition 2026. Thank you for being with us, and we hope this event has been both informative and inspiring. I'm Zamroni, goodbye and see you next time.